what's up everyone? Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into something super exciting. How you can run your own local LLM. Yes, you heard it right. No more worrying about privacy issues because we're bringing the power of AI right to your personal computer. Stick around, and let's get into it. So, why would you want to run a local LLM in the first place? Well, it offers some incredible benefits like having full control over your data, customized AI capabilities, and zero dependency on internet connectivity. Most importantly, you maintain your privacy. Doesn't that sound amazing? There are several ways you can go about this. We've got some great options like GPT-4all, LLM Studio, Hugging Face Transformers, and many more. But today, we'll focus on three main contenders: Hugging Face Transformers, GPT-4all, and Llama. Let's break down each one so you can decide which one is best for you. First up is Hugging Face Transformers. Hugging Face has become the de facto democratizer for LLM models, making them accessible and free. Did you know there are around 558,000 transformer models available? Yep, pretty much a goldmine for any AI enthusiast. But how effective are they? To run Hugging Face locally, you need a few things like Python 3.6+, PyTorch, the Transformers library, and some optional libraries for specific tasks. After downloading your preferred model from the Hugging Face Hub, you'll just need to set up some environment variables and import the necessary libraries. Simple enough, right? Imagine this. You're trying to generate some text, and you just need the model weights and tokenizer weights, which you place in a local directory. Next up, create a.env file, set your variables, and you're good to go. Once all set up, you can use it like a pro. An important tip: download the model while you have internet access and save it locally. Next, we have GPT-4all, another fantastic open source project. To get started, you'll need to install it via pip or build from the source. The great thing about GPT-4all is its versatility. Whether you're using a GPU or not, this beast works seamlessly. Just choose your model, and you can generate up to 30 tokens per second. That's pretty fast, right? What really sets GPT-4all apart is its ability to work offline without any internet connection or dedicated GPU. This makes it highly appealing for those who are really conscious about their privacy. Plus, it supports a wide array of models, and setting it up is a breeze. Last but not least, we've got Llama. This one is super handy for developers. You can even use it with a command line interface. Whether you're looking to start a local server or integrate it with other apps, Llama has you covered. Plus, it supports multimodal models like Baklava, making it a powerful tool in your AI toolkit. So, as you can see, each of these has its own unique features and advantages. If you want an easy-to-use interface, go for Hugging Face. Need high performance without a GPU? GPT-4all is your go-to. And for developers who love CLI, Llama is absolutely perfect. The choice boils down to your specific needs. I know, it sounds like a lot to take in, but trust me, the flexibility and privacy you'll gain are worth it. And hey, isn't it amazing how far technology has come? It's like we're living in the future. When you're using these models locally, you're basically the king of your own data. No more worrying about who's watching or storing your information. You have full control, and that is super empowering. Data privacy is crucial, and running your own local LLM ensures that your information stays with you. Whether it's sensitive research data or just your own personal projects, you can trust that it's safe and secure. I'd love to hear from you guys. Which one are you most excited to try out? Or maybe you have some experience running local LLMs. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. We've talked about Hugging Face, GPT-4all, and Llama, but there are even more out there like LLM Studio, Llama.cpp, and NVIDIA Chat with RTX. Each has something special to offer. Maybe I'll cover them in another video. What do you think? I really appreciate you all sticking around till the end. Your support means the world to me, and it drives me to keep producing content that adds value to your life. Thanks for being awesome. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're building something amazing here, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Plus, you won't miss out on any new videos. I'm always looking to improve and bring you the best content possible. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to share. Your opinions really matter, and I'd love to know how I can serve you better. Just to recap, running a local LLM can elevate your AI game by giving you unmatched privacy, control, and customization. Hugging Face, GPT-4 All, and Allama are great starting points, each with unique advantages. The choice is yours. Alright, folks, that's it for today. I hope you found this guide useful. Go ahead and try running your own local LLM, and let me know how it goes. Until next time, keep loving AI and stay curious. See you in the next video. We've explored some amazing options today, but the AI world is constantly evolving. There are new models and improvements launching all the time, making it an incredibly exciting space to be in right now. The future is bright. Using these tools is like having a treasure trove of tech gadgets at your disposal. You can mix and match to see what works best for your needs. And hey, who doesn't love experimenting with new tech, right? Unboxing new AI tools is always a thrill. Speaking of which, I've got some cool new AI gadgets and software coming up in future videos. So make sure you subscribe to stay updated. Got an idea for an AI project? Now you have the knowledge to get started. With Hugging Face, GPT-4 All, or Allama, the possibilities are virtually endless. Time to unleash your creativity. Building a tech community is vital. It's not just about the tools, but the people you share your journey with. Joining forums and online discussions can open new doors and provide valuable insights. Your feedback is incredibly valuable. It helps me improve and tailor content to what you truly want to see. So don't be shy, let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow and reach more people who are passionate about AI. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. One of the best parts of doing these videos is interacting with you all in the comments. I try to respond to as many as I can, so if you have questions or just want to say hi, go ahead and leave a comment. We've got an exciting roadmap ahead with tons of content planned right around the corner. From deep dives into specific models to beginner tips and tricks, there's something for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support and enthusiasm make all the hard work worthwhile. Stay curious, stay excited, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy experimenting with your AI models, and take care.